Good day, my people. Welcome to Top Kitchens. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I make my delicious Egusi soup. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that I'll be using for my Egusi soup. Here, I have my parboiled vegetable with soaked bitter leaf. I have onions, red and white onions that are finely sliced. I have locust beans, ponmo, dry fish that has already been washed and boiled with, and I also have dry crayfish that has already been picked and knitted. I have blended melon and egusi, and I also have my bokoto that is cooking on the fire. In here I have garlic, ginger, onion, red bell pepper that are all blended together. I also have blended melon with onions in the leftover pepper in my blender. Marinated red meat cooking, marinated red meat, and this is the cooking of the red meat mixed with seasoning. Now let's go to the melon itself. This is a pot, heated pot that I'm going to be pouring my red oil. You see, pouring my red oil when it is hot, not too hot to bleach my oil though. I'm not bleaching it, just hot. I'll add in my egusi. I'm going to be stir frying my egusi. After putting it bit by bit to the pan, after stir frying, I'll be adding my onions, my locust beans, follow, inside the already stir fried egusi soup. When the egusi soup is very okay and well stir fried and well mixed with my egusi, I'm going to be adding my pepper. Can you see? I'm going to be adding my pepper to it, and I leave it to also cook and be okay before adding any other thing. I cover it. Can you see carefully? Can you see it's well cooked? Then I'm adding my meat, my pokoto, my my crayfish, my dry fish, everything all together inside that pot. I'm putting Maggi. I'm not putting any salt inside this because I've already added my the stock from the prepared beef and meat into it. So this is the last thing I'm going to be adding, which is my vegetables. It's the last thing because I have